I have been around the world looking for that woman girl. I am Lisa, the ukulele fool, foolishly spreading the ukulele love. This tutorial is brought to you by ordinary ukulele players like yourself through Patreon. Come join me on Patreon. You help keep free content free here on YouTube, and you support this channel. Thank you so very much, patrons. These are the chords that you need on a regular ukulele, and these are the chords you need on a baritone ukulele. There is a specialty chord that you can add on both of them that kind of spices up the song. And be warned, there's some really fast transitions between D and A, so this is not a beginner-friendly tutorial. It's more of an advanced beginner tutorial. Let's go over the strumming first. Almost everything can be done with a 2-beat strum. Just going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, like that. If you want to spice things up though, take a look at the ends of phrases where you've got 2 Ds, like this one, or 2 A's here. You can switch to an island strum for those because they each get 2 beats and the island strum is 4 beats, so the math all works. Let's take a look at each of the sections in this song, practice it with just the chords, none of those lyrics thrown in, and do it slowly. I'll tell you how you can incorporate that specialty chord as well. Let's start at the very beginning with the intro, except for the intro also comes back as an interlude and it comes back as an outro. Here's the easy version. You just do the 2-beat strum and go A, G, D 4 times, and A, G, D 4. So 2 2-beat strums equals 4 beats of that D at the end. Easy peasy, you're done. Sounds like this. Okay, by the way, all these graphics that you see in here are in the chord chart. I really try to make my chord charts just the best possible to give you so much information, and you get those. I'll link down below, and it's also in the comments, and you're supporting this channel. First, let's add the D sus4. You've got your D, and D sus4, you slide the finger that's on your E string down to the 3rd fret, and then you're going to be moving it right back in many cases as we do this and other spicy variations you can add. In this case, you get a rest and you get to go to an A next. Put it on your body. 1, 2, here we go. A, G, G, D, 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 4. A, G, G, D, 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 A. And then you get into the song. 1, 2, here we go. A, G, G, D, 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 4, and A, G, G, D, 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 A. Got it down. I'm going to show you how to do this basically with a 2-beat strum. So here we go. There's 2 sections to the verses. We'll do each section by itself. 1, 2, here we go. A, G, and a D twice. A, G, and a D twice. And A, G, and D twice. And A, G, and D twice. On to the second section. Has the 2nd and 4th lines are a little bit different. 1, 2, ready, begin. A, G, and D twice, and A, and G, and D, and A, and A, G, D twice, and A, G, D, and A twice. Let's do the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. G, like to learn how to spice it up, stay with me. If not, just go to play along. Do it with just the 2-beat strum and it'll all work. So in the verse, you'll see where those D's are repeated. You have some options. One is you could just play an island strum for those if you want to switch up strums. And then you could do some specialty strums, adding the D sus4 or removing some things. What do I mean? So one of the options that you have on a double D, and I usually like to use this on the first and third of lines of the verse, you do a split island strum. D, down, up, down, up. So I'm just sliding my finger for that second down and then putting it right back up. So slip sliding away. Other thing you can do is you can put some more rest in there and throw in an A. This one's a little harder, and I do this on the second and fourth time of the first section of the verse, and then I don't do it all in the second section of the verse. So I go D, D, A, rest, rest. Do that again. D, D, A, rest, rest. So fun ways to incorporate just a little extra on your chords. You can do the same thing with the baritone. Let's just do a practice of that first section of the verse where I incorporate those. So 1, 2, here we go. A, G, D, A, G, D, and A, G, D, A, G, D. Our starting vocal pitch is an A. Got out of town, got 1, 2, ready, begin. Got out of town on a boat going to Southern Island, sailing a reach before a following sea. She was making for the trades on the outside and the downhill run to Papate. Off a wind on the heading line Marquesas, we got 80 feet of waterline, nicely making way in a noisy bar in Avalon. I tried to call you, but on a midnight watch I realized twice you ran away. Think about how many times I have fallen. Spirits are using me, larger voices calling, but heaven brought you and me, cannot be forgotten. I have been around the world, looking for that woman girl who knows love can endure, you know will. When you see the Southern Cross for the first time, you understand now why I came this way. 'Cause the truth might be running from it so small, but it's as big as the promise of a coming day. So I'm sailing for tomorrow, my dreams are dying, and my love is an anchor tied to you, tied with a silver chain. I have my ship, and her flags are flying. She is all that I have left, and music is her name. right, folks. Thanks, patrons. I never would have tied that name to this song, but you made that happen in the polls. Thanks. There's a little history behind this song if you're still watching. This was written by Stephen Stills, and it's not only a breakup song, it's a post-divorce song. And he went on a yachting trip, his kind of recovery from his divorce. But even more interesting is the Curtis brothers are noted as other songwriters. They actually wrote the melody and the chord structure for this, and they had their own song, 7 Leagues. And Stephen Stills, just didn't think that song was going anywhere. Like, I know Mick Fleetwood did a version of 7 Leagues. So he rewrote the words, got permission for the copyright, and did this song. And rumor has it that David Crosby didn't sing on the album. I know. I think that might be not true, but who am I? All right, stick around for next, excuse me. I hope you catch another tutorial here. Thank you for watching all the way to the end and watching me struggle with my speaking.